I'm Shelley Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the Notification Center inside of your Builderall dashboard. So to do that, all I'm going to do is go into this area called Apps, and then I'm going to go over here where it says Others and choose Notification Center. And in here, this is where you're going to find information and notifications from Builderall. And you can filter by several different items. So you can filter by the franchise message, by your team. You can filter by the leads that you get. You can filter by client messages, or those people that are in your team that are messaging you. You can filter by others. You can filter by commission messages. So if you earned a commission, it will appear here in the notification center and you can actually filter for those items. Or you can filter for exclusive messages. You can also filter from a specific date range. So you can put those dates in there. Or you can search for something specific in the search bar. So that's how you access and use your notification center inside of your Builderall dashboard.